Hey everyone, if Photoroom is loading slowly, taking too long to process images, or the app feels unresponsive, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Photoroom's slow loading problems in 2026. First, check your internet connection. Many of Photoroom's AI-powered features rely on cloud processing, so a slow or unstable connection can significantly affect loading times and image processing speed. Next, close and reopen the app or refresh the website if you're using the browser version. Temporary glitches can sometimes cause performance issues that disappear after a restart. Another common fix is updating Photoroom to the latest version. App updates often include performance improvements, bug fixes, and optimization updates. If you're using the web version, make sure your browser is up to date. Older browsers can cause compatibility issues and reduce overall performance. You should also clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted or outdated data can interfere with web applications and slow down loading times. And that's how to fix Photoroom's slow loading problems in 2026. In most cases, improving your connection, updating the app, clearing cache, and freeing device resources will significantly improve performance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.